In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of Gerard Perrier Industrie SA, an industrial manufacturing company listed on Euronext under the ticker PERR.PA. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. You will need a broker to trade, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PERR.PA to find the listing. Make sure you select the Gerard Perrier Industrie SA share listed on Euronext to avoid similarly named companies. Open the asset page to review the company summary and view the price chart for context. Confirm the company name, exchange Euronext, and ticker PEA to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and manage orders. The link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the example shown, and remember, this is educational content only.